Why is my skin dehydrated? Your skin feels tight, uncomfortable and dull, with fine lines never seen before? It may be dehydrated. Like the rest of our body, skin needs water for its biological mechanisms to function normally. But as your skin contains more water than its environment, the water tends to evaporate. This is called transepidermal water loss. To fight against transepidermal water loss, you may tend that written water are produced in the dermis. This is hyaluronic acid. And in the epidermis, this is NMF for natural moisturizing factors. Lipids also play a crucial part in the barrier function to prevent dehydration. They can constitute the mortar between cells like cholesterol and ceramides, or in the hydrolipidic film like the sebum. That's why dry or overclean skins are prone to dehydration. Based on ecobiology at NAOS, we act on various levels of the skin ecosystem to help it to regain its balance, supplying water and molecules capable of retaining water in the skin tissues, providing surface filmogen, and, if necessary, reinforcing the skin barrier to prevent water loss. This also includes stimulating water circulation through aquaporins, the natural water channels present in the skin. Learn more at naos.com.